In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your WhatsApp call history on Android. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on whether you want to delete individual calls, multiple entries, or clear everything. So let's get started. Open your WhatsApp on your Android device. Now, tap on the Calls tab at the bottom, and then find the call entry that you want to remove. Long press, and you'll see a little tick or check mark beside the call entry that you have long pressed on, and then just hit the bin in the top right corner, and that has deleted it. Now if you want to delete multiple calls, what you can do is long press again and then select as many calls as you want and then hit the delete button. Or if you want to remove all call data and clear the whole log, then you can hit the three dots in the top right corner, clear call log. Do you want to clear your entire log? Hit OK. This may take a moment, and that's basically it.